What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel, Sandeep Ramesh here. So today is another weekend where we are going to Dabbaguli forest trails. So it's all about the off-road trails, and today we've got some decent lineup. So this is the T.R.I.B.'s lineup for today. Himalayan, Girish on a GS, Mahesh on a Thunderbird, we got Arjun on an Africa Twin. Say hello to Arjun. Then we have Pavan on a 2020 Africa Twin. And of course, my man Sumant on an Africa Twin. These are the element of surprises that rider like me loves. Look at this for a view. That's why I keep saying that, you know, you get to explore the unknowns. One of the great reasons why I'm in love with the trails is primarily because of, you know, experiencing the unknowns and you know, all about the countryside of things, right? I'm a big fan of such kind of life because, of course, you know, these kind of regions has a pace of its own in terms of living, but it's so away from the noise and so quiet, and it's something that, you know, makes me want to come back again and again to such places. To put it this way, you know, a lot of people say that you have to recharge your batteries, go someplace, relax and come. For me, this is my relaxation mantra. To me, this is my meditation. To me, these are my prayers. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಡ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಶುರು? That's our trail to Dabbaguli forest trails. Let us do some video bombing. This is Arjun, UK returnee, who's riding this Jimmo for 2019 80. Okay, a lot of 80s here though, but yada funny gaadi hai? Yeah, this is the one. ಇದಂತರ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಿಂಕ್. ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. This is pretty awesome, this site. So, right now, where are we? Now, if you look at that hill over there, beneath that, beyond that is where Chunchi Falls is. ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗು. So the place where we are, if you can see, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ರಾಮನಗರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. That is Karnataka. This is Tamil Nadu. This is Sakit. Say hi.
Hello.
That's his ride for today. Undisputed, off-road variant in the sub, let's say 400 category. Although it's 411cc, but yeah. The view. Such a beautiful sight. Okay, the trails are about to begin. Araya, araya, araya! Thank you, sir. sight to savor. So from what we heard from the forest department is that half the river belongs to Karnataka and the other half belongs to Tamil Nadu. So basically this is what separates, the two states. So yeah, it's pretty awesome there. Pretty awesome. This is where we reached the almighty Cauvery River. I feel like I'm at free practice. That happens at Formula 1 on Friday, is that first part of the Saturday, where the track is clear, you get to put on, your best times around. I just feel like that. If I tell you, this place is about 50 odd kilometers from Bengaluru, would you believe it? There's so much of green belt in and around Bengaluru, and no wonder. Our city is pretty cool all the time. And look at his happiness there. That indicates everything.